It's pretty gnarly, man. The waves out here are seriously tight. You wouldn't believe the amount of wavage and humpage they do here, man.
Wow, look at
It's just boring, man. It's pretty gnarly. It's pretty radical. It's radical. It's radical.
This one's
Yeah.
If everybody had a nose
Go faster,
across the
faster.
USA, then everybody'd be served like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hair, serving USA. You'll catch them surfing out there outside Ventura County line. Santa Cruz and all over Manhattan and down the Meany Way. Everybody's got surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard. We can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer. We're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. And hang your knees and outside Pacific Palisades. San Onofre and Sun. Doing on the beach in the lane. All